What's up, cool kids? FD White back with another video. Welcome to the channel, man. Welcome to the channel. So Bitcoin has bounced. Bitcoin has bounced from that 100K level. We talked about this on a video, might have been the day before yesterday. We talked about important support level at about 103. We clearly lost that and then came down to our major support level coming in at about 98 to 100K. We came down to about 100,000 and a few dollars. So we got that nice bounce. This is all coming off the back of Trump and Elon arguing, having their little man fight or whatever they're doing, man. Nonsense. It's all nonsense. Right now, what I'm doing, not paying attention to really too much news. I think a lot of this is geared towards shaking us out. I think the whales or whoever's manipulating the market, I hate to use the word manipulation because it's just, you know, I just don't like using manipulation. But we saw the stock market really didn't come down yesterday when we had all this fighting, when Elon Musk and Trump was going back and forth over on X. The stock market really didn't go down, but crypto went down tremendously. Bitcoin went down tremendously. Altcoins got hammered. But now we are bouncing back, so we will see how the day ends in the stock market. Looks like a lot of the indices were up. Crypto has came back up. Bitcoin is at about 105 right now. Looking at a resistance level at about 106.5. If we can break back above there, I'm looking back at all-time high. So that'll be my next major trade, unless we just make we just hit our head on that 106.5 level and then continue our way down. But I will be watching that. Make sure you go and watch this video. I gave the levels like I said a couple days ago to watch, because it's really not too much to talk about, really not too much to keep reiterating, because the same things, or the same levels rather, are going to be prevalent until we break them, either to the upside or to the downside. So right now, like I said, what I'm doing is, of course, I'm on X, I'm entertaining some of it, but when it comes to my trading, of course I gotta implement it into my trading. But long-term investing, every dip, not every dip, but mostly huge dips, because I do think we are going a lot higher than 112. These little dips, I'll just stack a little bit more, and that's Bitcoin, stack a little bit more. And some of the coins, especially altcoins, that I think are going to run towards the end of this year, possibly after the summer, going into late fall, early winter. So that's my strategy for right now. Just giving you guys a quick update, taking a little walk away from the charts for a minute, and just letting you guys know that all this stuff happening, all of these fundamentally news driven based dips, I don't think they're gonna last. I think Bitcoin, crypto will probably, like I said, we'll see. It hasn't been sell a man go away. We had a good May, so the cycle is a little bit different, and the cycle has been different from the very jump once we did break all-time highs before the halving. So just be cool, just be calm, just be collected. We the cool kids, that's how we operate. So we're just going to continue to keep doing that, going to continue to look at the charts. I think, shout out to Trader Man, I was watching one of his live streams yesterday, and he was talking about which one rules, fundamentals or technicals. I think fundamentals drive where the technicals are already positioned to go. So if something is looking bearish in the charts, I think fundamentals just helps it get there faster. So I'm really a technical guy, kind of straying away from fundamentals, not all the way. Of course, if something catastrophic happens, we got to take that into account. But for the most part, trying to put fundamentals more so to the side, sticking to the technicals, sticking to trading, sticking to the scalps, taking the money when it's available, taking the money when it's there. And then for the long-term bags, of course, we're not really worried about what happens on a day-to-day basis, what billionaires are arguing. I don't care about them arguing. They don't care about me. They don't care about people like us. They care about making their rich friends richer and making themselves richer. So never forget that. Never forget that. So just my point of view. You can agree or not. It's not up to me to decide what you think, but that's just what I'm thinking. That's just how I feel, and I'm gonna just keep reacting that way when I'm trading and investing. So this is FD White, man. Just enjoying the scene, enjoying the day, man. Talk to you in a minute. Peace.